Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a Tesla key to your Apple Wallet. First, make sure that your car is associated with the account provided by the car's manufacturer. Then open the car manufacturer's app, email or text message, or use your car's display and follow the instructions to set up a key. When you're sent to the Wallet app, tap Continue. If prompted by the on-screen instructions, place your iPhone on the key reader while your iPhone and car pair. When you add your car key to your iPhone, it might be added automatically to your paired Apple Watch. Or you might see the option to add it to your paired Apple Watch. You can also manually add your car key to your Apple Watch. In the Apple Watch app on your paired iPhone, tap Wallet and Apple Pay and the Add button next to your car key. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.